Understanding Debridement of Sores. Introduction. Debridement is the process of removing dead and unhealthy tissue from a wound. Select true or false. Correct. Sometimes wounds develop unhealthy tissue. It can cause problems with healing. Debridement is the process of getting rid of unhealthy tissue from a wound. Autolytic debridement is painful. Select true or false. Correct. Autolytic debridement is generally not painful. Whirlpool therapy uses warm moving water to remove unhealthy tissue. Select true or false. Correct. During whirlpool therapy, a person gets into a warm bath of moving water. The warm moving water helps remove unhealthy tissue. It can also make blood circulation better. Surgical debridement is fast. Select true or false. Correct. Surgical debridement is the fastest way to debride. It is also the best at removing all the unhealthy tissue from a wound. Enzymatic debridement removes both healthy and unhealthy tissue. Select true or false. Correct. Enzymatic debridement does not hurt healthy tissue. MDT can be used on infected wounds. Select true or false. Correct. MDT can be used on infected wounds. The larvae dissolve unhealthy tissue and kill bacteria. Thank you for using Explain.